Microphone not working in Discord on Windows 11. No sound, no voice input. Don't worry, let's fix it with a few simple steps. Right-click on the Windows Start button and open Settings. Go to Privacy and Security. Then click on Microphone. Make sure microphone access is turned on. Next solution. Right-click on the Windows Start button again and open Settings. Go to Sound then click on Volume Mixer. Under Input Device, select your microphone. Next solution. Search for Control Panel and open it. Click on Hardware and Sound. Then select Sound. Go to the Recording tab, select your microphone, and click Set Default. Click OK to save changes. Next solution. Open a browser and log into your Discord account. Click on the microphone icon and select Allow when prompted. That's it. Now your microphone should be working in Discord. Thanks for watching. Hope the tutorial helped you, so subscribe and like please.